Hi there. This is a video to show the first step involved in creating an assignment and then having a rubric attached to that assignment. If you already have an assignment built and you'd like to change it to be graded using a rubric, partway through this video, I'll show you how to do that as well. So this assumption is we're starting from square one. So in your course, you're going to go to the top right, click Turn Editing On. Once your editing's on, go to wherever in your course you want that assignment to be. And remember, if you mix up, it's super easy to grab them and move them. But then on the right side, find Add an Activity or Resource. Click on that. Probably you're going to see all come up unless you've starred some. Know that, like I've starred some in here. So in my starred section, I see the ones I use the most. But what we're going to make is an assignment. And it's going to take you to a screen to add a new assignment. I'm going to call it assignment 1 or 2. I don't know. I think I already have a 1. It doesn't matter. You can call it whatever makes sense for your course, obviously. In the description, this is where you're going to give the instructions to the students and tell them whatever they need to do and where they need to hand things in. And of course, I have other videos on assignments that go into this quite in depth. Um, Availability, if you want to set when they can start handing things in, that's what Allow Submissions From does. The due date is dumb. The due date doesn't stop them. So I would disable the due date, and likely you're going to use a cutoff date. That's when it will stop accepting submissions. And I would turn off the Remind Me to Grade By. Always Show Description is new. This little thing under here, if you uncheck it, or let's go the other way. If it's checked, then even if it's not between these two dates, the students will be able to look and see what the instructions are. If you shut this off, they can open it, but it's going to tell you that the description won't be available until such and such a date. So that's new and it's kind of cool. And submission types, remember, online text gives them a text box to actually type in. So if it's a short response, that might be the easy way. File submission lets them drag and drop a file from their computer, be it a Word document or PDF or an Excel spreadsheet or a picture or whatever you're needing for your assignment. And I'm not going to get into any more of the nitty gritty. I'm going to go down here to grade. And because we know we want to use a rubric, instead of simple direct grading as our grading method, we click there and we change it to rubric. I go to the bottom and I say Save and Display. And here is my assignment, and you'll notice it says rubric, and now it's ready to design the rubric, and that's going to be in the second video.